Christmas Eve, everyone. I'm going to show you how to put together green bean casserole. And then I'm going to work on pineapple stuffing. That's going to be our meal for Christmas Day. So I'm going to show you how to put it together. I use frozen green beans. Doesn't matter what brand. This is a 16 ounce, a 1 pound bag. And I take them out of the freezer and I let them sit out so that they can thaw. You don't want the green beans to be too frozen, too cold. And then if they're still not thawing enough for me, I also have a colander with them in there, and I spray them with a little bit of water. That gets rid of the ice. You don't want the ice in there, it's the major problem. So I'm going to put these in the container, and then I'm going to show you how to proceed from there. And of course my hands are clean. Always wash your hands before you do any kind of cooking or putting together a dish. At my grocery store, they didn't have the smaller cans of cream of mushroom soup, and that's the content that goes in there. So I got a large can and I divided it in half. So I'm going to show you how I mix that up too. Get a bowl. I put the contents of the soup in the bowl. So then I take milk. I'm using 2%. You can use whatever you want to use. And I put a half of a cup of the milk into the cream of mushroom soup. And then I mix it all around. I get it all mixed in a nice smooth consistency. Then the big thing you want to do, this takes lots of pepper. I'm going to actually use a tablespoon, and I'm going to eyeball it and put it in here and see if it actually looks like it's enough for me. We like it very peppery. So that's about a tablespoon that I put in there. Oh yeah, that looks like enough. So I'm going to mix that all in. Then I'm going to take this mixture and I'm going to add it to the green beans. Which are pretty much thawed by now. And then I'm going to mix that all together. Once all the beans are coated, then I also have another little secret that I do. I put some of the French fried onions on the inside. Once all the green beans are coated, like I said, you're going to put about a handful of the French fried onions on the inside. Now, for those of you that do not care for onions, this is a totally different taste. It really does not have like a raw onion taste. It's not overwhelming. It's just a subtle taste, but it tastes more like a French fried onion ring. Now we're going to cover this with foil. And we're going to bake it in a 350 degree oven for about 30 minutes. And you want to check on it, make sure it's bubbly and hot. After I get all the green beans and the soup mixed together, I put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And then I take it out and I put the French fried onions on top. And then I put it back in the oven for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. You want to keep an eye on it because you don't want them to burn your onions. And when it comes out, some people like it a little bit more crispy. That's how we like it, a little bit more done. And by the way, if you want to see more of my videos, go to my YouTube page and hit the subscribe button and the notification button. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. Now we like it a little bit crispier. You may not want it this well done, so just don't cook it as long. Just keep a really good eye on it. And then we're going to taste. This is one of the favorites, by the way, for Christmas dinner. It's delicious. Mangia. Make sure that you hit the like button and the notification button so that you can be tuned in to all my updates